Your toilet sucks. And I'm gonna show you how to fix it. The first thing we're gonna wanna do is shut off the water to the toilet. Remember righty-tighty, lefty-loosey? We can hear that there's no water going to the toilet. Now we're gonna take our Shop-Vac and get all the water out. Now the box cutters to cut the tub sealant around the tile to the toilet, we're gonna want to make sure this box cutter is cutting towards the bottom of the tub sealant. We're gonna untighten these bolts so we can pull the toilet out. Now let's remove the supply line. It's time to get this thing out of here. We call this the crab walk. Let's get this wax ring out. We're gonna remove the tub sealant. These are the no-cut toilet bolts. So we're gonna run this all the way down. We're going to put it in like this, and then we're gonna spin it so we make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. Next, we're gonna replace the supply line to the toilet, also the extra thick wax ring. Lefty-loosey. All right, we got the supply line installed. Now it's time to replace the wax ring. When we install the wax ring, we're gonna just make sure that this is in the center and the wax is obviously on top. Now let's get the new toilet in here. We're gonna wanna make sure that these holes line up with these bolts. All right, now that we've got the cap underneath the bolt, we're gonna lock this down. The next thing we're gonna wanna do is attach the supply line to the toilet. Now we're gonna turn on the water to ensure we don't have any leaks. Grab your tub sealant, grab your sponge, and let's get to it. Does it flush? And now your toilet doesn't suck. If you don't want to do this, call Reliant Plumbing. We're happy to help.